on I-81, I-40. Getting off here on Deep Springs Road.
In a half mile, take exit 412, Deep Springs Road, Douglas Ave, and then turn right in 0.3 miles.
We're getting off here at the old Loves. Here at exit 412, we're going to put a bit of fuel in.
In a quarter mile, take exit 412, Deep Springs.
And we're going to top up our depth as well. And we'll do a load check here. Check our tires, check our lines, you know, do a quick walk around while we're doing that. And it looks like it's a bit packed because they've got people parked on the road. Ain't seen that here before. Right. So we got 246 miles to our delivery. And we have a lane to get into without any problems. Ready. Yeah, I guess we'll park right there. All right, hours of service. Like I said, gonna top up our fuel. Gonna top up the def. And then we'll make our way down the road here a little bit more. And I think we are going to stop in at Wildwood, Georgia. And that's about 140 miles. So that's a good place to stop for our next load check. They're off of I-24 just inside Georgia after we pass through Chattanooga. And I think that leaves around 95, maybe 100 miles to go to Madison. So that's not too bad. leaving my
Have arrived at your destination on the right side.
all right, leaving my first delivery. Got 4 hours and 40 minutes on my clock, but I can still drive for the day. And I can make it down to Hope Hull, Alabama, just south of
In a quarter mile,
Montgomery.
turn right on Madison Boulevard, AL20.
You know, basically right off of I-65, right just south of Montgomery. That's about 3 hours and 12 minutes.
In 700 feet, turn right on Madison Boulevard, AL20.
At least that's what Ray McNally's saying. So basically I have an hour and a half spare of drive time. So I think that'll be just peachy keen. If I so decided to, I can actually stop in, in between Madison, in between Birmingham and Montgomery. You know, there's a pilot there I could stop at. We'll see how we feel once we get through Birmingham. I mean, 3 extra hours a day wouldn't kill me. And that would mean tomorrow I got 260 miles down to Poplersville, Mississippi. And then another 70 miles after that. Another 70 miles after that would be my delivery tomorrow. So I got time today, so looks like we're gonna push on to Hope Hull. Stop for the night. Gotta get ourselves some clean clothes. Go in and get a shower. And that's the end of the day. January 5th, 2019. Or February 5th, sorry. February 5th. Gotta get my days right. They all run together.